Shalom, sisters. This is Sister Tay. I thought I'd try my hand at doing a video today to give a new perspective of a new wife coming in from the world, entering the faith, entering a well-established family, and kind of give my perspective on it. Excuse me, I'm outside. It's a little rainy. Gotta love that fall. Never appreciated the rain as much in the city as I do now, living in the homestead and relying on it so heavily. So one topic that I wanted to discuss was for wives coming into the family, coming into the faith, wives getting married, understanding or being able to understand your wants and needs, and separating the two, not confusing them, so that you can have a better marriage. For instance, if you come into marriage and only think about your wants, your wants, your wants, your wants, you become very selfish. And I know it's believed that in the world we're taught mutual. He thinks of your wants, you think of his wants. But at the end of the day, if a woman gives her all to her husband and focuses solely 100% on his wants, his needs, then he can give what she needs so easily. And I'm not saying that the woman wants become unnecessary, but when you have a husband who focuses on your needs, you have to reorganize your wants almost from what you think you want to what you really want. Because once you realize what you really want that aren't so focused on selfishness, you'd be surprised how much more fulfilling it is in your marriage. It can be, I'll give you an example. For instance, when I first got married, I wanted to go out driving by myself. That's what I wanted. I thought that I did it before. Why can't I do it now? Looking into it, realized that's selfish, wasting money. Is it saying I want to be away from the family? No, not at all. I had to fix that into what my needs were. My needs were to get away, get out the house, to focus on something non-work related, like to meditate, for instance. So to fix that, go out for a walk, include the children, include my sister wives, include my husband. And that helped so much to change so I still got what I figured was a need to, get out the house, but to fix it, to put it in the basis of my marriage. So that's one thing that I wanted to mention. Other things that we have to focus on for our wants and needs is just being able to separate them. Knowing is this what I'm doing, what I'm complaining about, what I'm arguing about, what I'm missing. Is it a want? Can I live without it? Is it selfish? Is it necessary? Like really just realizing those things. This faith, I realize, is so selfish. I'm so selfish. And it's something I'm working on, I'm repenting for, to my master, to my sister wife, even to my children. That, I'm figuring out what my true need is. My husband knows what my needs are already. So just finding my wants and what he wants for me in a way. I know this can be mind-blowing for those not in the faith, those newly in the faith, to kind of realize this is what marriage to a righteous man is. But when you figure that out, let go of all those worldly trappings and wants and desires, it makes for a much, much peaceful and happier marriage for both. Just because you're on the same page, you're aligned. It's something I definitely urge all sisters to meditate on. And the reason I bring this up is because they have been things I've struggled with so far. In the beginning of my marriage, it's still early on, but The moment I got that realization in my head, the more that I read the book and get my own understanding, the easier it has been to get my own self in order, pretty much, with understanding my wants, realizing my place in my master's household and in the world as a whole. It helped a lot. I just wanted to share this information with you to give you some ideas and some thoughts to meditate and pray on so that we can all be the best wives that we can be. I hope this helps somebody greatly as I continue to work on it myself. And a homestead cat. So I hope you guys have a good day. Shalom.